Everybody, and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer. I'm Jenny, and come on in because we got to talk about a deal that ends real soon before Saturday, but the savings is too good to pass up, and you know you want to know. So come on in, like and share the video on your way in. And if you're not one of our crazy friends and you're just stopping by, well, look below and hit that red subscription button and that notification bell. Guarantee you'll like it here. And, well, if you don't, you know, you can always unsubscribe. But I don't see that happening. So, go ahead while you're here. That way you won't forget. And you also won't miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information. Alright, everybody. Oh, yes, free stuff. Lots of that this week. Lots of free money. And I don't want you to miss any of this one. So, that's why we got to talk about this today, because it is expiring very soon. Actually, it expires in 18 hours, so you got to use it today. Alright, now, this coupon is actually glitching with a manufactured save coupon in the older operating system stores on the one item, the Easy Rinse. Alright, makes it actually a money maker. Maybe about 50 cent, so $6.50, $1.50 money maker in an older operating system store. But it's an earn, so, you know, it works a little bit differently. So you're not going to see that in your purchase. You'll see it in your DG wallet. But there's also a save $4, and it's attaching to a $5.50 big product. So we get more bang for our buck. We're going to do two razors. We're going to do the Big Easy Rinse and get that earned $4 back on that. And then we're going to do the Big Save 4, and that's attaching to the blue Big Soleil for $5.50. And that's going to make that razor set $1.50. Now, we're also going to use our instant savings on our swab and our dollar swab coupon. You're going to pick up two of the swab hand soaps. They're $2 a piece. The items that you purchase to get the instant savings have to be $2, okay? So basically 50% off on no matter no coupons or anything. But we're going to pick up two of the swab hand soaps. And you have this dollar coupon that will also attach. That's $4 and $3 coming off. That's going to leave you $1. Now, getting the both razors and the swab hand soaps, you're at $16. You've got $11 in coupons coming off. That leaves you paying $5 out of pocket for 4 items. And that's $1.25 an item, and that is a winner chicken dinner. But we can go a little further with that, and we can add a couple more swab items. Since it is an instant savings, we don't need any other coupons, and we can do it any day of the week. So pick up a swab conditioner and a swab shampoo of your choice. You're going to get a $2 instant savings. And pick up that when you do your hand soap as well, and your Big Soleil, and your Big Easy Rinse. And your final out-of-pocket for everything will be $7. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, guys. And a winner chicken dinner. The Jeep lighter urn is also expiring soon. So I also have a scenario which we do the big razors, both of them. Pick up 3 of the Jeep lighters for $12, and then you're going to get $6 off, and your swab hand soaps, and you're at $28. Now, this will not work on Saturday because your earn is going to expire before Saturday. So this is a 2-day deal. So, today being Tuesday, you're at $28. You're going to get $16 off. Leaves you out of pocket of $12. Okay, that is 3, 4, 5, 6 items, $2 an item, guys. Winner, winner. Alright, now, you don't have to add your Swab hand soaps if you don't want to, or want to do them in a different deal. Or you don't even have to add them to your Bic Soleil purchases or your Bic Easy Rinse. You can just purchase the lighters by themselves and get your $6 in earns. That one transaction would net you $10 in earns that you could spend on anything else that you would like something to eat. Now we got a new urn that did pop up. It is on the OGX Biotin and Collagen Shampoo and Conditioner. They're $7.50 a piece. It's a $4 urn. You got to buy 2 to get it. And now this is your daily deal, guys. You're going to pick up the Garnier Shampoo and Conditioner. They range from $4 to $3.50. I, of course, put the $3.50. I think that's the clarifying shampoo is the $3.50 ones. So, $7 for 2. And then you're going to pick up a Degree deodorant. We've got one that is $4.25. This $2 coupon is attaching to. And that's $11.25, guys. And you're going to get $5 off of that. That is $6.25 out of pocket. That is a winner deal because you're paying less than the 2 Garnier. And you're getting your Degree deodorant, well, free. But Saturday's coming, and these are items that will still be on the shelf and aren't expiring, so you can do them Saturday. So this is a Saturday scenario using those items. You're going to pick up the Degree deodorant for $4.25, the 2 Garnier shampoo and conditioner, and then we're going to pick up some Airwick. You've got the $4 off on the Airwick Vibrant Refill. Those are $7. You're going to pick up one of those. And then you got the $4 off the Airwick Advanced Warmers. And they're $4, so it's a free item. So you're going to pick that up. And then you're going to pick up 2 Suave body washes. It could be a men's and a woman's or 2 women's. But you're going to pick up 2 because you're going to get the instant savings. And if you haven't used that $1 off coupon, then with the $1 off coupon will attach to this as well. So you're looking at $28.25, and you're going to need that because you got an instant savings going on. And a total of $21 in coupons coming off, leaving you an out-of-pocket of $7.25 for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. And that is a winner deal, guys. And this is your math pages. This is the math for the Bic and Suave deal. And adding the other Suave to it if you'd like to. This is the lighters deal. The Bic Soleil and the 3 De Jeep lighters and the Suave hand soap. This is your daily deal. Your Degree, your 2 Garnier for $6.25. And then this is your Saturday scenario for those items. That is $7.25 out of pocket, guys. And you know what? That is like purchasing one of those Airwicks and getting all of that other stuff for free. So, yeah. So, there's you several scenarios. And 3 of them any day of the week. And 1 Saturday 5 off 25 scenario. So stay tuned. We got more deals coming because we got the Purcell that we got to make a deal with. We've got that Georgia Pacific we got to make deals with. We got a Pamper coupon we got to make deals with. And we got glitches we got to make deals with. So make sure you come back, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it right now. And please, leave me a 3-word comment. Because YouTube is doing a new analytical thing. And they're scoring. Yeah, believe it or not, they're scoring. I actually got a message in my inbox that told me what I needed to do because my scores was too low, guys. So please, leave that 3-word comment, share, like. So important. Not just for me, but remember, everybody that you go to. Love you bunches and blessings.